Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, thanks to which you can be sure that you will avoid some charges, and then enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you have to do it right now, so you can either log in or sign in. If you're not sure how to do it, just check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So now all we have to do is to enter this circle, which is your account. So let's tap on it and manage apps and device. Now let's enter manage. And here we've got the list of installed apps. Let's tap on updates available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 10 updates. All we have to do is to mark those which we want to apply. Of course, you can mark all of them. If not, just mark those which you want to. So for example, those options. And now all you have to do after marking is to tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.